Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Access Online Banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.accessbank.com and press enter. You will be now directly lead to this kind of page. And at the top, you can see this option login. And while you click on that, options will be presented like your account type, that is personal, NEO for business, corporate, or NEO for corporates. Now for this video, we will go for personal. If you haven't registered for your account, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to register. If not, you can click on login. Now you will be lead to another page where you need to fill down your credential in order to log in. Now two options will be presented. Either entering your customer ID and your password, or either entering your debit card number, ATM PIN. For this video, I am choosing login ID/customer ID. Now in case if you have forgotten your customer ID, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. Likewise, if you have forgotten your password, then you can click over here and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. Now here you can see this option login directly to. And here you can see tons of options. You need to choose according to your criteria. After that, you can simply click on login and you will be logged into your Access Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.